Hey everyone, let's be honest. Who doesn't love a little drizzle of honey? It's naturally sweet, it's versatile, and let's be honest, it just makes everything better. But did you know that honey is not just delicious? It's actually packed with health benefits. That's right, this golden liquid is like a superpower for your body. We're not just talking about a little boost here and there, we're talking about some serious health advantages that have been recognized for centuries. So, if you're ready to discover the amazing benefits of honey, stick around because in this video we're diving deep into 6 incredible ways honey can transform your health. You don't want to miss this. Before we dive into the incredible health benefits, let's take a quick trip back in time. We're talking ancient Egypt, where honey was treasured not just for its sweetness, but for its potent medicinal properties. Can you imagine? For centuries, honey has been a staple, a remedy and a symbol of health and vitality. It's remarkable how something so delicious can also be so deeply rooted in our history. And the amazing thing is, those ancient civilizations were onto something. Modern science is now catching up to what they knew all along. Honey is a powerhouse of goodness. Let's explore those benefits together. One of the most remarkable benefits of honey lies in its ability to supercharge your immune system. This natural elixir has been cherished for centuries, not just for its sweet taste, but for its incredible health benefits. That's right, this golden nectar is like a shield against those pesky bugs that try to bring you down. Whether it's the common cold or seasonal flu, honey can be your first line of defense. Honey is packed with antioxidants, those powerful little compounds that fight off harmful free radicals in your body. These antioxidants are crucial in maintaining your overall health and well-being. Free radicals, if left unchecked, can wreak havoc on your cells, weakening your defenses and making you more susceptible to illness. They are like tiny invaders that can cause significant damage over time. But honey steps in like a superhero, neutralizing those free radicals and giving your immune system the upper hand. It's like having a natural bodyguard that keeps you safe from the inside out, and it doesn't stop there. Honey is also known for its soothing properties, making it an excellent remedy for sore throats and coughs. Honey also possesses natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. These properties make it effective in fighting off infections and promoting faster healing. So next time you feel a cold coming on, reach for a spoonful of honey and let its natural defenses work their magic. Incorporate it into your daily routine, whether in your tea, on your toast, or straight from the spoon, and experience the health-boosting power of honey. Now let's talk about the incredible creatures behind this liquid gold bees. These small yet mighty insects are more than just honey producers. They are the unsung heroes of our environment. These buzzing wonders are essential to our ecosystem and play a vital role in the pollination process. Without them, many of the plants we depend on would struggle to reproduce. As bees flit from flower to flower, collecting nectar to make honey, they are also performing a crucial task. This nectar collection is not just for their benefit, but for the entire ecosystem. They transfer pollen, fertilizing plants, and enabling them to produce the fruits, vegetables, and nuts we rely on for food. This process is vital for the growth of many crops that form the backbone of our diet. It's a beautiful symbiotic relationship where both the bees and the plants benefit. The plants get to reproduce and the bees get the nectar they need to create honey. And honey is a delicious byproduct of this essential process. This golden liquid has been cherished by humans for centuries, not just for its sweetness but also for its medicinal properties. So every time you enjoy a spoonful of honey, think about the journey it took to get to your table. From the flowers to the hive and finally to your jar, it's a testament to the hard work of bees. Remember the hard-working bees that made it possible. Their tireless efforts ensure that we have not only honey but also a variety of other foods. The fruits, vegetables and nuts we enjoy are all thanks to the pollination work done by bees. They are indispensable to our food system. We need to protect our bees and ensure they can continue their essential work for generations to come. Supporting local beekeepers, planting bee-friendly flowers and reducing pesticide use are just a few ways we can help. Now you might be thinking, okay, honey is amazing, but how do I incorporate it into my diet? Well, the possibilities are endless. Of course, you can enjoy a spoonful of honey straight up, savoring its natural sweetness. But don't be afraid to get creative. Honey is incredibly versatile and can be added to a wide range of beverages and dishes. Imagine a warm cup of herbal tea sweetened with a touch of honey, its soothing properties enhanced by this golden elixir. Or how about a refreshing smoothie bowl, drizzled with honey and topped with fresh fruit and granola? Honey can also be used in baking, adding a touch of natural sweetness and depth of flavor to your favorite treats. Throughout history, honey has been revered for its association with longevity and vitality. From ancient civilizations to modern times, honey has been a staple in diets and medicinal practices. In many cultures, it's believed that regular consumption of honey contributes to a long and healthy life. This golden nectar is not just a sweetener, but a symbol of health and wellness. While more research is always being done, there's no denying that honey's abundance of antioxidants and its ability to support overall health certainly play a role in promoting well-being as we age. Antioxidants help combat free radicals in the body, which are known to contribute to aging and various diseases. And when you think about it, those who consume honey often lead active, healthy lifestyles, further supporting the link between honey and longevity. It's not just about the honey itself, but the overall lifestyle that includes balanced nutrition and physical activity. So next time you enjoy a spoonful of honey, remember that you're not just indulging in a sweet treat. You're partaking in a tradition that spans centuries and celebrates the pursuit of a long and vibrant life. Whether drizzled over your morning toast, stirred into tea, or enjoyed straight from the spoon, honey connects us to a timeless practice of nurturing our bodies and spirits. The journey of honey from the hive to your table is a testament to nature's incredible processes and the human desire to harness its benefits. So, cherish every drop and let it remind you of the simple yet profound ways we can enhance our well-being. Let's face it, one of the best things about honey is its undeniably delicious flavor. That perfect balance of sweetness with subtle floral notes makes it an irresistible treat. But beyond its flavor, honey's versatility is what makes it truly special. It can be enjoyed in countless ways, adding a touch of natural sweetness and complexity to both sweet and savory dishes. From drizzling it over yogurt and oatmeal to using it as a glaze for roasted vegetables or a sweetener in homemade salad dressings, the possibilities are truly endless. So there you have it, 6 amazing benefits of honey that prove this golden nectar is as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. From boosting your immune system to satisfying your sweet cravings, honey is a true gift from nature. Remember to choose raw, unprocessed honey whenever possible to reap its full nutritional benefits. And be sure to thank the hard-working bees that make this liquid gold possible. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible benefits of honey, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health tips and tricks.